इंटरनेशनल ज्वेलरी वीक के चौथे दिन पर भी चमके कई सितारे जो उतरे काफी दिलकश अंदाज में रैंप पर और बिखेरे अपने जलवे। आइए देखते हैं कि कैसा जादू बिखेरा इन सब ने। खूबसूरती को चार चांद लगे जब उतरी करिश्मा कपूर, क्रिस्टीना, शर्मिला टैगोर, कंगना रनौत, ईना अरुण और सोनल चौहान, और साथ ही यहाँ दिखे विद्युत जामवाल भी। आइए जानते हैं इन सब से कि इनको इसका हिस्सा बनकर कैसा लगा।
जैसे हर लड़की की तरह, हर औरत की तरह मुझे भी ज्वेलरी पसंद है, तो डेफिनेटली एवरीडे लाइफ में तो मैं ज़्यादा नहीं पहनती हूँ, लेकिन जब कहीं बाहर जाना हो या कलेक्शन में रखना हो तो डेफिनेटली, मोस्ट डेफिनेटली, इट्स नॉट अबाउट दैट. आई थिंक इनफैक्ट आई चेरिश व्हाटएवर आई हैव, लाइक माय मदर्स pieces that she's gifted me from her collection from so many years ago, from her mother, so I think I really cherish those.
It's basically fusion, as the jewellery is also. So it's we've done a sari drape on a salwar, so yeah. I think diamonds make any woman look extremely glamorous and beautiful, so whenever you wear diamonds you just kind of changes your whole persona, and you feel special on any occasion when you're wearing diamonds. So I think the necklace, it's very stunning. Elaborate, it's stunning, and it just completes the whole look, and it gives that glamour quotient as well.
Chudi Chamke, my song, I sang for all these, which I always love. So naturally there was soul. Because what I agree with you, that all these poochies and bangdis, I know the traditional name of all jewelries, and the way you have made them in a modern way, lighter, is still that ethnic touch is there. So I enjoyed walking the ramp. But the very good part was that models, they just got into mood and they danced. I'm very happy. And thanks, Achla. Thanks a lot. And Palvi, you too. Thank you very much.
The women always look lovely, but tonight was very special with all these beautiful women, and the models, they were all super. And about what you asked me, I think, we men love accessories, we love to be embellished. And in cities, what we do is we buy an expensive watch, or we buy a watch which complements us. But I'm very glad that he came up with an idea like this. And me being a Rajput, I've been seeing when I go for my weddings, our family weddings, we do carry the sword, and like I said, the embellishments. It's a matter of pride. It makes you think about your history, your past, and what your ancestors have gone through. It feels very good.
Well, the jewelry I'm wearing got very, very contemporary feel to it. So they've given me a very short choli, and they want it to look urban. At the same time, it to have that royal era of Jaipur, and the whole architecture and the history of Jaipur. So I think this is a very urban approach to the heritage and the culture of our country and Jaipur.
I really like the jewelry because I think it's finished very well, and the quality of the stones, you feel very good wearing it, because it's not just the look, but the feeling that one is wearing something precious that is complementing one's look really adds to the enjoyment of it. And I think it's like your ears are still there, they haven't fallen off. Your neck, you've not got a headache. So it's light, unlike the old jewelry, which was to be very heavy. So he's got the old design, and yet it is comfortable, and I hope within our reach, and not extremely beyond somewhere there. No, but it should be accessible to many of us. So I actually love the ruby, and I quite fancy this ring.
I want it all because honestly, I just think that every piece that I'm wearing today is just stunning. Like, I saw it and I was in love. So it's a very difficult choice. I want it all. I'm greedy. I'm sorry. Well, I'm here to talk about the jewelry that I'm wearing, and of course about Kashi Jewelers. And that's what I think we should stick to. I think there are lots of great things that Kashi Jewelers has achieved, and I think we as Indians should be proud of them, because they are the only jewelers in the country that have been awarded the President of India award twice, in a row. So that's great. And another big achievement that I think I'm very proud of as an Indian is that they're going to be in the Rolls-Royce Book of the Year, which is a very prestigious thing. Also, another thing that I found out today, yeah, it's like JNA at Hong Kong, which is like Oscars of jewelry awards. That also they've got. And another thing that I discovered today is that everything is in-house for them, whether it's the production, the designing and the manufacturing, everything just happens under that one roof. Just fantastic. And look at these two talented people here. I just feel so small here because this is art.
खबरों की दुनिया में आइए, हमारे साथ कहीं भी और कभी भी जुड़िए। हम मिलेंगे फेसबुक पर, हम दिखेंगे यूट्यूब पर, हमें फॉलो कीजिए ट्विटर पर। खबरों के साथ बने रहिए रात दिन।